This thing ain't going anywhere.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dad.
I'll give it a try anyways. It's alright, we're in a good spot right there. Oh! Go! No, fucker. I missed it. Damn it. You see that strap? Look, there he is. Pickerel. Oh, pickerel. You're what? You're getting one right now. Just let it sit. All right, pull back, pull back. Now reel. Oh. Yeah, leave it right there. Keep going. You got it. Sunny.
Sunny.
Nice catch. Bring it on up. The big one. Oh, I swallowed it. Put that right.
Okay, buddy. Let's go.
There he goes.
I think that's tissue or something.
That actually might be from something he ate, because see, he swam away just fine. All right, nice catch. Take up the anchor. I know. Imagine if my phone slipped off. Papa lost his phone here. He came back, well, lost it. Like. I'm gonna get you out there, and I am gonna also, I think, de-strand. Or actually, no, that's a perfect bite. I wanted to get that hook right in his mouth. Just let him swim with it. Start reeling. Loosen up the slack first. He's swimming towards us. Pull down, down further, tip to the water, start reeling all this slack in. Get all this slack out, and then you're gonna have to set the hook until you feel pressure on the fish. More, almost there. Now pull hard. Perfect. Now reel. You got him. You do. That's a big pickerel.
I'm gonna get him. I have to.
That's a bass. That's a big largemouth.
I got him.
Keep reeling, keep reeling. Keep reeling. Oh my God. Get him over here. Don't pull, don't pull, don't pull. Oh my God, Priya. Holy shit.
Can I touch him?
Yeah, of course. You're gonna hold him.
No. I cannot. I look at him and say, hey Bella, do you want to play with my kitchen? And I'm like, wait. She wasn't over.
That's hilarious.
I was like, hey Bella, you want to, oh. And she's like, what? And I'm like, nothing. And she's like, tell me. I'm like, I was about to just ask you, would you want to play with the kitchen? And she's like, but I'm not actually cooking. I'm like, yeah, exactly.
Got windy, didn't it, Bree? Hey, how many fish did you catch? How many fish did I catch? There. Oh, it's a bass. Oh, thank God. Oh, and he was barely even hooked. We got so lucky. Woo! I always see where my phone is actually. Hold him for a second. It is paddling us in the bay while we wait for some boats to leave.
But without a basement, right?
Nope, you cannot.
Cannot get that unless you take them in a car.
Pray your Slim Jim remained uneaten.
Yeah, because it's juice. It's only juice left, Dad. There's only juice left. Who wants juice?
Oh, feels good to stand up.
You know what? I'm standing up. The chair is too difficult.
I feel like I'm in Italy,
I feel like I'm a laborer.
paddling me through the canals of Venice.
Venezuela. Yeah, actually, could you turn on the motor?
Look at that.
Or at least help me with the paddling.
Well, we're not in any rush to get over there, so we're hanging out.